Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am going to start my lessons. I already told you there are about 42 to 45 lessons in my coaching, and today I am going to take up lesson number 1, language. If time permits, I am also going to take lesson number 2 also. I have already given the notes, and that has been sent to you through special WhatsApp of 5th standard and 6th standard. And also my instructions, a video has also been sent through YouTube and WhatsApp. Therefore, without wasting the time, I am starting my lesson. Okay, language. Language. Everybody in this world needs language. For what purpose? That is very important. Everybody needs language to communicate his opinion to others. Therefore, language plays very important in this world for the communication. For communication purpose, we have to learn language. You see, when a child takes its birth, after 1 or 2 months it starts learning the language because it has to talk to her mother or his mother. That's very important. It starts from the A. Amma. It starts with Amma. The first word uttered by a child is Amma. That is very important. Amma is a part of a language. That's why even the animals, like take dogs, take cows, and take ox, take bull, take tiger, everybody is having their own symptoms of language. That is very important. If a dog bows 2 times, it means the other dog will understand what he or she is telling. That's why language plays very important role for communication. It's a means of communication. Therefore, how many persons required for communication purpose? That is very important. There must be at least 2 persons for communication. If I want to talk with another person, if I want to talk with another person, it is a means of communication, and a person should be there. 1 or 2 persons should be there to communicate the things, or through the gadgets like mobile phone and other things. On the other side, there should be 1 more person to whom we can talk and we can settle the issues or anything anybody may be. Therefore, language is a means of communication. Is it enough that we know the language? If 1 person talks, take for example, I am talking to the board. Is it a communication? No. When I am talking to the board, I am talking one-sided, only 1 person. There is no other person. This is not having life, this board. That means I will be called as a madman if I talk to the board with my own intentions, and also if I talk like that, it is called as soliloquy. What it is called as? Soliloquy. 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 You refer the spelling, correct spelling, referring the dictionary. I think you might have purchased a dictionary by this time. In English to Kannada dictionary. Soliloquy. Soliloquy means swagata in Kannada. In Kannada it is called as sagata. These things are used in dramas, especially when you are going to learn Shakespeare dramas. Their soliloquies are more. Take for example Othello, the famous drama. There one character, villain character Iago. He uses his drama most of the time. He used to talk as soliloquy only. I have to do such thing. I have to do this thing. I have to go and murder that Othello. I have to do something like that. Like that only. That is, they are called as soliloquy. Therefore, and another way of communicating the things is through a sign or symbol. If you want to call a person, you will do like this. What does it mean? This is You come to me, you come to me, come near me. This is the thing that he will observe and he will come to me. That is way of sign or symbol. SIGN. First one, communication through a language. Second one is through symbol or sign. A symbol or sign. This is very powerful communication, this sign or symbol, more than long way. If you are far away from you, if you want to call person, the sound will not move to that person. Only light can move to that person, and he will observe what you are doing and what your intention is. Then he will observe and understand the things and come to you. That is why in the morning days, symbol or sign is very powerful communication. And one more communication is there, which are used by blind people, that is braille. This is a special type of communication. The founder of this communication is Braille, Louis Braille. His name is Louis Braille. You see, they are punching the pages this side with a sharp needle, with a handle and needle, and they will turn the page and they will read the pages by touching the embossed part of the page, and they will read accurately. That is called as braille. This is also used by blind people. Okay. Now we will go for languages. How many languages are there in the world? How many languages are there in India? And how many languages are there in Karnataka? You see, in the whole world, there are about 8,000 languages at present in practice. Another name for practice is Vogue, VOGUE. It is there in your notes. Vogue. Vogue means in practice. There are about 8,000 languages in total in the whole world of 6 continents. 6 plus 2 continents, Antarctica or Arctic. There are 2 additional continents in which people are not living there, and only 6 Asia, Europe, South America, North America, Africa and Australia. These are the continents. There are so many people talking so many languages. You see, South American people are practicing Latin, and France people, Paris, are speaking of French, and Russian people are using Russian language, Japanese people are using Japanese language, and Chinese people are using Mandarin. You should not tell Chinese language, you have to tell Mandarin. Mandarin is the communicative language of Chinese people. That is very important. Therefore, so many people are talking with so many languages. In India, about 8,000 languages. In Karnataka, about 2,000 languages. In Karnataka, about 2,000 languages are there. Karnataka, India, 8,000 languages. Karnataka, world, 8,000 languages. In India, 2,000 languages. 2,000 languages. In Karnataka, 200 to 300 languages are in practice in Karnataka. So many people are talking so many type of languages in Karnataka. Therefore, languages plays very important role. The North Indian languages are called Aryan languages based on the language Sanskrit. All the languages of India are based on Sanskrit only. Therefore, it is called as Daiva Bhashe, God's language. The letter used for Sanskrit is called as Devanagari Lipi. And all the other languages, it may be Rajasthani, it may be Kashmiri, it may be Oriya, or it may be Bangla. All these North Indian languages are called Aryan languages. You might have heard the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization, the banks of the Indus River. You might have studied in geography these things. Therefore, from there they have divided. And Dravidian, South Indian languages are called Dravidian languages. What is Dravidian languages? We are all Dravidian, South Indian people. Take for example, Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu people are speaking Tamil, Karnataka people are speaking Kannada, Kerala people are speaking Malayalam. Okay, these are the 4 languages that are being used. Out of which there are certain languages. Languages without use will vanish. Take for example, their Hebrew is there, and the Buddhism language is there. 2 or 3 languages are there. I cannot remember at the moment. They are called as 1 minute. No, here it is not there. There are Prakruta. Have you heard the name of Prakruta? Prakruta is no more there. Pali. Have you heard the name of Pali? Pali is not there. Prakruta is not there. They have all vanished because of not usage. One or the other day, this Kannada will also vanish after 50 years because everybody is speaking Kannada with the help of English only in these days. They are not learning this Kagunita. They are not learning the exact letters and other things. They will use more and more English in the midst of Kannada. Therefore, one day this language will also chances of vanishing. Therefore, Karnataka 200 to 300 languages are there. Have you heard the name of Hebrew? Hebrew is also one of the best languages, and that is also in practice in Saudi Arabia and somewhere there. They are all Iranian and Iraqi Middle East country languages. Therefore, world 8,000 languages, India 2,000, Karnataka 200 to 300, and out of which there are certain languages which are not having alphabets, what we so called as lipi. Akshara annodu illa. No lipi for languages. They are one Konkani, the second Tulu. Tulu in Canada, Tulu in South Canada. 3 Kodava, Lambani or Banjara. 5th one is some student taught me this thing, Bari. Have you heard the name of Bari? Who came from Bhatkal. They used to talk Bari language. Baris are there. They are coming from this Middle East countries to Bhatkal port. They used to talk Bari language. Therefore, Konkani, Tulu, Kodava, Lambani and Bari. These languages are not having any letters. In Kannada it is called as lipi, alphabets. They are only talking. The South Kannada people are talking Tulu. The Goan people are talking communication through Konkani. And there are also Konkanis here also. And Kodava people, Kodagu people are speaking Kurki, and Lambani, Banjara people have their own language, and Bari people are also having one. These things are no alphabets. Lipi illa. Therefore, we have to learn the language first, and also its usage is also very important. Proper usage of language is very important. ನೋಡಿ, people are talking, you see, Kannada, ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ನೀವೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗಾದ? ವೈ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ they are not knowing the extension of the language, that line that they have used. They will kill the time to speak. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒಂದು ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಟಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಇವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಹಾಗೆ. ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡೂ ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಆ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾ. These letters are very important in using the language. They will use akara, hakara, ಹಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಕಾರ. ಆಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸು ಬಾಳ ಹಗ್ಗ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಹಕ್ಕಿಯನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಕಿ ಎಕ್ಕಿ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿದ್ದವು. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore, languages are very important for communication. There are about 8,000 languages in world, 2,000 in India, 200 to 300 in Karnataka. About 5 languages in Karnataka is not having any alphabets, but they are research is going on to find out the letters. It is not enough to find out the letters only. They have to prepare their own grammar. Unless there is a grammar for the long way, there will be no long way. Okay, this is the end of the first lesson. Now you write the notes in your 200 pages notebook, and then read it twice or thrice and collect in your mind. Thank you very much.